Welcome back. In this session, let's discuss about MySQL functions. MySQL functions are powerful feature of the MySQL database management system. They are predefined routines that accept input parameters, perform an operation and return the result. MySQL provides a wide range of built-in functions of various purposes such as mathematical calculations, string manipulations, date and time operations or more. So you have MySQL provides several built-in functions to perform many common use cases, and you can also create user-defined functions in the MySQL. So in MySQL functions are more powerful tools for performing various operations within SQL queries. By leveraging built-in functions and creating custom ones, you can streamline your data manipulation tasks and improve the efficiency of your database operations. The very simple syntax to create the function is create function, and you pass the function name and you will also pass the parameters. You will pass all the parameters that are required for this function, and this function returns only one output. So it can be a single numerical value or string type, or it can be a result set as well. And you will have a begin and end. Within begin and end keywords, you will also have the function body. So the way you look the functions is very similar to the stored procedure, but not functions and stored procedures are exactly different ones. We can look the differences between the functions and stored procedures in the coming session, and we can also discuss about all the inbuilt functions that you have in the MySQL. Okay, before we go into inbuilt functions, let's have some hands-on exercises on the custom or user defined functions, and let's jump onto the other things in the next sessions. Thank you for watching. In the next video, let's continue having the hands-on exercises on the functions.